Hello and welcome to IISERs classes. Today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to join IIT to pursue their master degree courses. In a biotechnology paper, there are questions from different topics like biology, physics, chemistry and also mathematics. And we cover all these topics. This is the question from section 3, the question number is 58, and therefore the question is a numerical answer type question. That means we need to find a numerical value as an answer. So let's see what is in this question. The standard EMF of a cell involving the reaction 2Ag plus aqueous to Ag solid plus Ag2 plus aqueous at 298 K is what? Now we need to find the answer correct to 2 decimal places, and we are also given that Ag plus electron results in Ag solid, and here the standard EMF is 0.62 V, and Ag2 plus aqueous plus electron results in Ag plus aqueous, and here the standard EMF is 0.12 V. Okay, so the equation is given by two Ag plus aqueous. This results in Ag solid plus Ag2 plus aqueous, then Ag plus aqueous plus electron results in Ag solid, and here the E naught is 0.62. Ag2 plus aqueous plus electron results in Ag plus aqueous, and here the EMF is 0.12 V. Therefore, we can say that E naught cell is equals to 0.62 minus 0.12, which results in 0.49 V. So our required answer is 0.49. So we have successfully solved this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.